Hello viewers. In this video we are going to build an almost free gaming PC. To do this, we have to be creative. Most of our parts are leftovers from other builds. To start with, we got this old Asus chassis. This was the family's computer from a decade ago. It was a free donation to this project as it sat collecting dust for years. The old components that came with it will not be reused. We are going for more recent second-hand parts, but some will have to be bought new. At first, we considered to use the old power supply, but later decided to spend a bit more and get a new gold standard unit. Energy prices are high enough nowadays. The graphics card is the most expensive part in a PC build. Luckily I still had my old GTX 1650 lying around. Here are the specifications. Even with all the donated parts we still spend a total of €218. Not bad for a budget build gaming PC. Don't forget to leave a like, or leave a comment. And as always, thank you for watching.